Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about PNC Bank Virtual Wallet. PNC Bank Virtual Wallet is an integrated online banking platform designed to help you manage your money, spending, and savings all in one place. It is structured around a combination of up to 3 linked accounts, each with a specific purpose. The 3 core accounts are: Spend. This is your primary, non-interest-bearing checking account for day-to-day transactions and purchases. You get a debit card linked to this account. Reserve. This is a secondary, interest-bearing checking account intended for short-term savings and unexpected expenses. Growth. This is a savings account that also earns interest, which is designed for your longer-term financial goals. The key benefit of the virtual wallet is the suite of digital money management tools that come with it. These tools help you budget, save, and avoid common banking pitfalls. Some of the main features include: Money Bar. This visual tool provides a clear overview of the funds you have available for general spending after accounting for bills and scheduled transactions. Calendar. This allows you to view upcoming bills, deposits, and scheduled payments. It even highlights danger days, which are days the platform predicts you may be at risk of an overdraft. Low Cash Mode. This feature can help you avoid or minimize overdraft fees by providing customized alerts and extra time to bring your balance to at least 0. Overdraft Protection. The accounts are automatically linked for overdraft protection. If your spend account is at risk of an overdraft, money will automatically transfer from your reserve account and then from your growth account if needed. Digital tools for saving. Features like the wish list allow you to set specific savings goals and track your progress toward them. It's important to note that PNC offers different versions of the virtual wallet, such as the standard virtual wallet with performance spend, and virtual wallet with performance select. These different tiers come with varying features, such as interest-bearing checking, non-PNC ATM fee reimbursements, and different monthly service fees that can often be waived by meeting certain requirements like a minimum direct deposit or minimum balance. In summary, the PNC Virtual Wallet provides an integrated system of checking and savings accounts combined with powerful digital tools to simplify money management, budgeting, and saving. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.